So the first thing to do is complete the square, and I'm going to do that by taking 2 out as a factor of the quadratic. Now the reason I'm using fractions is they're easier to use and manipulate if you're not using a calculator. So I'm going to complete the square for the part in the brackets. So that's going to be x plus half the coefficient of x in the original one, which is 1.5, but as we're doing fractions, 3/2. Now that is all squared. Now that will give me x squared, and it will give me plus 3x, but it will also give me 3/2 multiplied by 3/2. Now I don't want that, so I'm going to take away 3/2 squared, not forgetting that I still have 15/2. I'm just going to tidy up. Three over 2 squared is 9/4 plus 15/2 will give 21/4. Note that at this stage, that 21/4 is still being multiplied by 2, and I want to remove that. I want to multiply by 2 to remove the outer brackets. So when I do that, I end up with 21/4 times by 2 changes to 21/2. That's the answer. And this question, it doesn't say it in words, but this is asking you to complete the square. So this is completed square format 1b. I take that, and the coordinates of the minimum value would just be whatever's in the bracket. So 3/2, change the sign, minus 3/2, and the bit outside is the y coordinate. In this question, they're just asking for the minimum value, which is the y coordinate. So you could just say that y is equal to 21/2, or you could use decimals and you would get 10.5. Part 2, question 2, you can see that this is a quadratic and it has repeated roots at 3. So if you think about when that's factorized, that's going to give x plus 3. It's repeated, it's squared. Y equals, we're not sure what a is, so we need to find a. Okay. We know it has a y-intercept of minus 18, so we know it goes through 0, minus 18. That gives me an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. I can substitute those in, so I know that minus 18 equals a, trying to find 0 plus 3 all squared. So minus 18 is equal to a multiplied by 3 squared. So minus 18 equal to 9. A, therefore a equals minus 2. You can tell from the shape of the graph that a is negative. So then I just write y is equal to minus 2, just found that, x plus 3 all squared. And that is the final answer.